Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you cancel Snapchat Plus subscription. To cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription, you have to follow these steps. Now you cannot do it from the application or the web page. You have to exit out of this page and then open up your respective app store. Now if you're on your Android, then you have to go to your Play Store, and similarly if you're on your iOS device, you have to go to the App Store. After which you want to click the initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Now select or make sure to select the particular account that is associated with your Snapchat, and then you want to go to manage apps and devices, and then you want to go ahead and click on payment and subscription. Then you want to go to subscription, and here you have to go and look for the subscription for Snapchat Plus, and you just have to make sure to toggle the button or just long press on it and click the cancel button. As soon as you've done it, so you'll have successfully canceled Snapchat subscription. So that's the way you could cancel Snapchat Plus subscription. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.